In this task, our production support team deployed some of the latest modern tools to keep an eye, but they're not able to reach one of our app servers. So try to do curl stap01 on port number 6300. It's not reachable. Let's check this on app server 2. It's working fine. App server 3 as well, working fine. So we have an issue with the app server 1. So let's connect it to that. Tony stap01. So while doing these tasks, don't try to focus on just finishing these tasks. Just focus on learning, what you're actually doing. So if you do systemctl status httpd, oh, it says something is off, it's failed. So if I use, they're suggesting to use -l to show in full, so I'm just gonna use that option. Okay, if you couldn't reliably determine, okay, it says address in use on port number 6300. So let's use the command netstat. So if you just use netstat, it gives this information. So if you want to enhance the filtering option, you can use tunnel p. So just remember it as tunnel p. So if you look at this port, this service is using it. Of course, you can use grep to filter it. 6300. So it gives only exact output. So this is the service using that port. So basically, whenever you install something, those configuration files goes into this folder. So probably it's mail, and then the file with the cf, so stands for config. So puts slash, so it comes here, and then try to enter the text you're looking for. So it's 6300. Then just put, I'm just gonna assign any random port, so I'm gonna give 6301, then capital ZZ. Yeah, that saves. Now let's restart that service. Systemctl restart. The service name is send mail. Now try to restart our Apache now. So because that port is free now, even you can check with that. It's nothing is outputting. Yeah, if you check the status now, obviously it will be running. Now you can reach from here as well. That looks good. Let's click on check. It's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.